Welcome to Inner Sambodh Workshop Day 3. Inner Sambodh is all about introducing yourself to your higher self, or we can say it as a true self. So during this 10 days program, we will be building a very strong relationship with your inner child, or we can say it as a true self. So let's begin with the workshop. If you are driving, then save this video for later, and if you are sitting already in a safe place and quiet place, this is the right time to start with today's workshop. Close your eyes, and while closing your eyes, let all the emotions, anger, anxiety, happiness, whatever the emotion is coming, let it come, let it flow. Don't judge. Take a deep breath, and while exhaling, let all those emotions go. So now, imagine that you are standing in front of a tunnel. That tunnel is having many doors. So let's enter this tunnel, and while you are entering this tunnel, on the left side, there is a door which is calling you just to open up. So just go there and call your inner child, and visualize that inner self, inner child is standing there, staring at you to take initiation. That inner self, that inner child is waiting that you will be initiating the relationship. So make sure that you initiate the relationship by calling your inner child, giving it giving he or she a tight hug, and making a promise that I am with you for eternity, my love. With this promise, hold the child's hand, move forward. While you're moving forward on this path, you will be on your right side. There is another door. That door, behind that door, there are the opportunities, brightest opportunities with which you will be able to develop a very strong bond with your inner self. So open that door, and holding your inner child's hand, pass through that door. So while you're passing through that door, you will feel peace, love, care, affection, compassion. These are the most beautiful emotions which you were longing for throughout your life, and this is the exact moment where you are having those emotions for eternity, and make a promise to your inner child that we will pass through this together. So while you are walking through this door, you will see a very bright light, and the moment you pass through that bright light, that's the exact place where you belong with your inner self. That is your home. That is your heart space. So once you are arrived at that heart space, holding the hand of your inner child, call the divine, God, or the universe which you believe, and make a new promise to yourself that this partnership, I trust and I believe, and I will continue this partnership forever, for eternity. And with this, you can open your eyes. So this was today's workshop, day 3, and see you in the day 4. Till then, take care and happy healing. Bye.